Hello. It's another glorious day the Lord has made here in Frankfurt, down by the river. And today I want to film a video about an exercise that's often taken for granted. It's the jumping jack. So for me, I've incorporated jumping jack in my training for decades, and it is a foundational move. It's a good exercise, and so that's what we're going to look at today. I want to show you an easy progression. I want to show you a low impact progression of the jumping jack, okay? So low impact is when one foot's always on the ground. High impact is when both your feet leave the ground, just for definition purposes. So low impact jumping jack, we're going to have to leave a foot on the ground at all times. So the way we're going to do a low impact jumping jack is you are simply going to step to the side, bring an arm up, and come back. You're going to go to the other side, and it's the same way. So you're really just splitting a regular jumping jack in half, more or less, and you're not getting the jump. So this will look like putting reps together on a low impact jumping jack will simply look like this. So if you're someone who hasn't been moving very much, or someone just starting out, it's a good move, and you'll work your way into that full jumping jack. So again, your form is simply going to be keep your core tight. You're not holding your breath and keeping it that tight, but you're just keeping where you're standing up straight, shoulders are high, and you're squared away. And like I say, core is firm, and then you start with your feet close together. It's just a step both ways, just alternating both ways, and that's it. So there's your low impact progression of a jumping jack. So now we move into a regular jumping jack, and it's going to be the same. Your position is the same. You stand up straight, have your core tight, feet are going to be close together, but this time you're going to jump and both feet are going to come off the ground as you land, and your arms are going to swing to the top. Now a bunch of people do jumping jacks where it's just barely a move. Full range of motion where you come to the top with your arms. You get a full range of motion. Your feet, I don't want them to spread too far because it puts a tension on the inside of your knees, which you don't need. But it's okay to bring your feet out shoulder width, a little wider than shoulder width, and that's good. So your regular jumping jack. And you need to breathe while you're doing it. Take in good breaths. Just do it, and it's a nice relaxed move. You can get to where you can do 25, however many you want to do. And so it's a good move, and it's good for your physical fitness. So there you have it, how you do a jumping jack. So I want you to enjoy those, work those into your fitness regimen, and just remember, you're fearfully and wonderfully made. God bless you.